Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Google account on a PC or laptop. Signing out is especially important if you're using a shared or public computer and want to keep your account secure. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer. Go to google.com and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. From the menu, click Sign Out. Your Google account will now be signed out from the browser. If you have multiple Google accounts signed in, you can click Sign Out of All Accounts to sign out of all of them at once. If you're using Google Chrome and your Google account is also connected to your Chrome profile, you may need to manage your Chrome sign-in separately. To do this, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome and select Settings. Then, click your Google account or You and Google section and review your sign-in settings. Once you've signed out, your Google services will no longer be accessible without signing in again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sign out of your Google account on a PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google tips, Chrome tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.